Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the DT99 Smartwatch, and the other one is the popular health smartwatch, the F57L Smartwatch. So we are going to check these two wearables, okay? We are going to compare the design as well as the menus and features available for these smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding the DT99 or the F57L smartwatch, or about this video review, video comparison, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check on the DT99 and the F57L smartwatch. So let's put it side by side, and as you can see here, we have a very obvious difference. Okay, the DT99 do have a much bigger body frame compared to the F57L. Okay, so simple design, although they have the same metal body. Okay, at the back we have some sensors here. We have a metal plate for the F57L. For I guess this is for body temperature or the ECG. On the other side, okay, so the DT99 do have a much slimmer body frame. Okay, although both do have a light frame. Okay, flat. Then we somewhat have a brush finish. When it comes to the elegant look, the DT99 do have a much better design. Minimalist for the F57L. Okay, so both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin, as you can see here. Okay, so let's check on the UI of both smartwatches. Okay, on top, okay, let's see. So we have the quick settings. It's almost the same here with the DT99. We also have a brightness adjustment display here and auto lock. Okay, so let's increase. Okay, how to go back? Okay, that's it. Then on the bottom part we have the notification. Okay, for the F57L. For the DT99, it's the menu option. So there's no shortcut here except for this one. For the DT99, you have to use the split screen to access, okay, the message notifications. Okay, on the other side, let's see. So we have the different functions here, different menus. Okay, main functions, so main features. Okay, for the menus, let's see. Okay, press the button for the F57L. For the DT99, on the bottom, just swipe from top to bottom. Okay, so we have pedometer here, messages. Again, the F57L is focus on health features. As you can see here, we have the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, body temperature, and blood glucose. While for the DT99, it is a combination of health, fitness, and messaging. Okay, we have notifications here. The F57L don't have a support, I think, for the Bluetooth call, while for the DT99 we do have a Bluetooth call. Have calculator here, fitness sports. We have some sports here for our F57L. Okay, we have some workouts. We have at least several sports here. Okay, but as you can see here, okay, we do have a limited features for the F57L. It focuses mainly on health as well as sports function. Okay, for the settings, let's see. So we have it here. Although both do have a very good UI here. Very simple, very easy to access, very simple. H band for the F57L DT99, it's the Wear Pro. Okay, in terms of the support app, it is much better for the DT99. It has a far more superior support app, and it has its own app store. Okay, so here are the additional features. Let's compare the sports. Okay, go back. So let's go on to the sports function. Later on, we are going to check on the heart rate and see the comparison of the UI. Okay, so here are the different sports categorized in different categories. Okay, both do have a comprehensive sports function. So if you want a health focused smartwatch, go for the F57L, although it's not reliable for the blood glucose as well as the blood pressure here. Okay, the body temperature is okay, but if you want a smartwatch, okay, with a mix of everything, okay, with the health, sports, as well as the Bluetooth and notification, we have here the DT99. Okay, let's check on the heart rate. So different UI for both smartwatches. Okay, back. And for the screen display, the screen goes to DT99 Smartwatch. We do have a premium screen display here, an AMOLED screen display with a high screen resolution, while for the F57L, I think we have an IPS LCD screen. Okay, but anyway, it's okay. It's readable and with good brightness also, and with support for touchscreen. The UI is also good. Okay, very responsive so far. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of the menus and features of our DT99 compared with the F57L Smartwatch. As we go on with our DT99, we are going to compare it with other smartwatches as well, with almost the same, okay, form factor or design, rectangular body frame. Again, if you have any questions regarding these wearables, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if we do have that time. Bye!